Namaste. Welcome to next session of 2MG, that is 2 Minutes Gyan by Agile Beyond Boundary. Transparency is one of the key pillars of a Scrum framework. If you don't have transparency among your team, that may lead to lack of trust. And lack of trust may lead to negative practices such as blame game, ultimately impacting on your product delivery and product vision also. Let's see few different tools and behaviors that helps us to build great transparency in our team. First one, our daily stand-up meeting. Daily stand-up meeting provides a great platform to build transparency among the team. Every team member comes with what he did yesterday, what he is going to do today, and what he perceives as a blocker in his today's achievement of the goal. That builds collective understanding among the team. We need to make sure we are doing daily stand-ups very effectively. Don't make them monotonous or then don't make them too lengthy. Number 2, our retrospective meetings. Retrospective meetings are a great platform to build transparency among the team. It is not an audit of the team that what they did wrong in the last sprint, but it is an opportunity to understand what are the areas of improvement and what are the things that we can do to continuously improve ourselves. Every team member can come up with open queries and issues they are facing. They can come up with the different ideas and the solution, but they should be respectful to each other's opinion. This collective exercise build transparency among each team member. Number 3, avoid building teams inside the team. When we form a team, different people with the different skill sets, different mindset and different background come together. So it is very natural, people having similar personality traits, they come together and they form a small group. That ultimately may lead to forming small groups inside the team. This leads to disconnected discussion and hinders the transparency. How to avoid this? Best way to avoid this is having the culture of respecting each other's views. Also, being co-located may help to build this kind of culture inside the team. You can have different team buildings and team bonding activities, but it is better to identify if you are forming the small groups or small teams inside the team, it's better to avoid. Last but not least, it is effective use of the Scrum board. Everything that is related to the results, we should make it transparent and accessible in the team. Scrum board helps to build immense level of transparency in the team. You can have work and progress items on the board. You can have backlog items on the board. You can modify it with the burn down charts, even pat on the back or some motivational quotes on the board. Ultimately, your Scrum board is platform to build collective understanding and transparency among the team. Building a transparency is a continuous activity. It goes through all the phases like forming, storming, norming and performing. Let me know what you are doing to build this transparency among your team. Thank you very much. See you next time. Take care, be safe, be happy. Thank you.